Have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you eat 2 bananas a day? This question might seem curious, even intriguing, but it's one that has been perplexing nutritionists and health enthusiasts alike for quite some time now. We are all familiar with bananas, those bright yellow fruits that are often in our day-to-day lives. We see them in our supermarkets, we pack them in our lunch boxes, we blend them in our smoothies, and yet we seldom stop to ponder their full potential. Now consider this. What if we told you that this basic fruit, this everyday delight that we often take for granted, could have extraordinary effects on your body? We know it sounds almost too to believe. You might even be shaking your head wondering how it's possible. However, trust us when we say, it's true. Yes, you heard it right. Eating just 2 bananas a day could create a surprising, even shocking ripple effect in your health. The humble banana hanging from a tree might seem ordinary, but it's packed with a powerful punch that can boost your health in ways you may not have imagined. From aiding digestion, providing energy, improving nerve function to even enhancing your mood, it's a small fruit that offers big benefits. So, how does this happen? How does an everyday fruit become a health superstar? That's what we're here to explore. We're about to take you on a journey through the fascinating world of bananas and their incredible impact on your body. We are going to peel back the layers, exposing the hidden treasures that lie within this popular fruit. From its rich history to its surprising health benefits, we will explore it all. There's so much more to bananas than meets the eye, and we're excited to share it with you. Well, stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of bananas and their impact on your body. Bananas, they're not just a quick snack or a smoothie ingredient, they're packed with essential nutrients. Have you ever wondered what's hidden inside these vibrant yellow wonders? It's time to uncover the nutritional wealth contained within their peels. To start, bananas serve as a remarkable source of potassium. This significant mineral holds a key role in maintaining the rhythm of your heart and keeping your blood pressure under control. It's like the conductor of the orchestra that is your body, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Moving on, they also hold a generous amount of vitamin B6. This is no ordinary vitamin. It's crucial in the development of your brain and its functions. Moreover, it's responsible for creating mood hormones like serotonin and dopamine, essentially serving as your body's natural antidepressant. Next, let's shine a light on vitamin C. It's generally associated with oranges, but here's a fascinating fact. Bananas are well endowed with it too. This mighty antioxidant stands as the body's guard, shielding cells and tissues from damage. Additionally, bananas are packed with magnesium. This underrated nutrient is the unsung hero for bone health and the production of energy. It's what keeps you up and running. Not to be overlooked, bananas are abundant in dietary fiber. This element is like the cleaning service of your body, aiding digestion and inducing a sensation of fullness, plus a preventive measure against heart disease. Did you know that consuming just 2 bananas a day can supply you with these essential nutrients? But what does that mean for your body? So, you've eaten your 2 bananas. Now what happens inside your body? Bananas kickstart digestion. Chock full of dietary fiber, they regulate your gut health, ensuring smooth bowel movements and fending off constipation. 2 bananas a day could be answer to a healthy digestive process. Moreover, bananas are packed with heart-healthy potassium, vital for blood pressure management. This mineral counterbalances salt's harmful impacts and controls kidney functions. 2 bananas fulfill nearly 20% of your daily potassium needs, keeping cardiovascular diseases at bay. But there's more. Bananas are natural energy powerhouses. Their natural sugars combined with fiber provide a steady energy release. Hence, 2 bananas a day can keep you active all day. An underappreciated benefit of bananas lies in mood enhancement. Tryptophan, found in bananas, is converted into serotonin, the mood booster. Consuming 2 bananas daily can bolster your mental health. For those watching their weight, bananas being low in calories yet filling, can aid weight management. Clearly, these yellow powerhouses offer a multitude of benefits, but is there such a thing as too much of a good thing? That's for our next scene. Stay tuned. As with everything, moderation is key. So what could happen if you overindulge in bananas? Though bananas are packed with goodness, consuming them in excess could lead to some health issues. One such issue is hyperkalemia, resulting from too much potassium in your system. Bananas are rich in this essential mineral, but when consumed in large quantities it can lead to irregular heartbeats, muscle fatigue, or even temporary paralysis. Another possible downside of excessive banana consumption is an excess of fiber. While fiber plays a vital role in aiding digestion, too much can cause discomfort like bloating, gas, and abdominal cramps. So, balance is crucial when it comes to diet. A few bananas a day can provide plenty of health benefits, However, it's equally important to include other fruits and veggies in your meals. A varied diet ensures you get a wide range of nutrients, keeping your meals exciting. After all, eating should be an enjoyable experience rather than a tedious task, so shake it up a little. Complement your banana with some berries for added vitamin C or sprinkle some nuts for healthy fats. A balanced meal not only nurtures your body but also pleases your palate. To conclude, it's crucial to remember that while bananas are healthful, it's all about maintaining balance. Add them to a diverse diet, and your body will appreciate it.